Hey everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope that you are fit and fine. I'm also doing fantastic by the grace of Almighty Allah. All the praises are due to Allah, who is the creator of all creations. We send blessings and salutation upon our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Our dear brothers and sisters, now I'm going to share with a powerful hadith. Our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam has narrated, "Aqrabu ma yakunu al-abdu min rabbih wa huwa sajid." The closest that a slave to his Lord when he is prostration. Dear brothers and sisters, take your time in sujood, take your time in prostration. You're close to Allah, the closest you could ever be. All the best. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.